Weather report says we're clear. This is some bullshit.
Yeah, I know.
It just changed too.
Did it?
Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah, it should. It's good. We're good.
What's going on? They just wait for it to start sprinkling and they update it.
We just waited till you guys have.
Well, now it just changed again. Now it says no rain.
Oh my god. F***ing lovely. Miles is the bad luck. That's who the real bad luck is. You brought
No,
the rain.
Subaru just pulled the line. That's where the real bad luck's starting.
No. It'll probably go faster at times.
Shit, the Evo at least went down the track so far.
Hey, we're gonna be there. Just give us a moment. Don't make me get it. I'll just put it on the kill map.
And then we won't race for the rest of the day.
Are you shutting it out? Turn it off?
I think they're just gonna take a break.
What's up, guy?
What's up with this bullshit, man?
I don't know.
You bringing the weather with you?
No, I'm from the west side where it doesn't rain.
Oh, that's right. Not bad for that low map. Look at that.
9.7 and 143.
Yeah.
I was definitely shifting early too. It dips a little bit at the top with power.
Yeah.
I was riding out forward and I felt it kind of bog down and come back up. All right, man.
That was wasted pretty much. I heard it.
Shit up, yeah,
But
46 miles.
139 mile an hour.
Yeah. 10-3.
You ready?
Do it.
Time to go look at these walls.
Yeah, I don't know. We're having something going on.
You gained another mile an hour. Still not a bad pass at all.
Well, it should be faster than that, right?
So what I'm doing over here, guys, is I'm looking over our data log on the cars. Travis went 9.7 at 143. Pretty close to what I called for his trap speed to be, because the car showed it made it right around 780 on this, and that's pretty close. Trap speed shows a little bit more mile an hour than that, to be honest. And on the trap speed, I would say at 143, that's usually a trap right around the 850 range on that car at that weight. So we're doing good on power. I have plenty more to go in the car. Timing wise, I'm being really conservative. But as for a first pass on a low map, I mean, you can't really ask for more. Shows I need to put a little bit more wastegate duty cycle in the car. It's trying to target that boost I want, and it's kind of going like this, trying to get it. So we have a couple different wastegate tables in here I got to adjust and get him dialed. He said I got permission for the next drive. So
I'm stoked.
good to take it on the next
stoked.
pass.
It felt just like the 6466, ran the same time and speed.
Yep.
Well, within 0.3 of a second,
Car was stable.
or 0.03 of a
It
second.
looked like it left really good. It looked really, I mean, the car was stable. Everything looked good. The dialogue looks good. Car looks happy. We're ready to add in more power.
Have plenty of angles on this going up, including on my WRX channel, on mine, on his.
Yep.
It's gonna be great.
So now, get the scenes turned up. Josh did really good too. He went 10.3 at 139, and I gotta grab his access port, but I know on his low map, I said 36 pounds. On the street, which we saw around 25 to 28 pounds. But I mean, a 139 trap on that boost level, I mean, you can't ask for anything more. So I'm happy for him. He's slowly getting faster there. He went 10.6 as his fastest time before, so go down to a 10.3. And then this next one was hopefully get him into those 9s. and kind of go throughout the day. The car was 10.2 air fuel that whole pass.
Are you serious?
There's like a 100 wheel just pulling fuel out. That was super safe on that one.
Yeah, what was the fuel?
10.2.
You
Pretty
backed
much the whole pass.
You backed that map down a little bit, huh?
Yeah, it's back.
It doesn't feel like it did on the street.
No, I turned it down for you. You know, you wanted me to dad mode you.
Super light.
Now I just need you to have balls. Now you got the pass. You got 10.3. Now we'll load the 46-pound map on it. Go real time.
Halfway through it, I was like, fuck, I should have put that map on.
I saw it leave and I was like, I knew it was going to be slow because I just knew it was going to go down to closer to wastegate. It just needs more duty cycle. I pulled duty cycle out of his wastegate table on there just to make sure it was going to stay, and I pulled too much out. So that's what I get for being conservative.
That's why you got that.
Yep. Got it. What up, buddy? Freaking bogged it, man.
I saw that.
But he went 154.
154.
Well, guys, I came here with a goal for Travis, and that was a 155 to 160 trap. We wanted to prove the car makes a 1,000 wheel, and before we went around saying virtual dyno makes a 1,000 wheel. We went 154.35 at a 9.8. I bogged the car. My fault. I was trying to cut a light. But 154 trap, car did blow the clutch off in third. I had to pedal it. Car makes power. Let's just say that.
Oh, yeah.
So what I'm going to do for Travis now, we're still in the class. We're going to take, I'm going to turn the car back down, put it on 42, 44 pounds. This pass you saw here was on 48. I'm going to turn the car back down, and I'm going to let him enjoy the car. He's working beautifully. We didn't push any coolant. Our motor program's working awesome.
Yeah.
Car's happy. It trapped the power we want. It drove back here. Now it's ready for him to go make a pass. I really hope the clutch hangs on his next pass. So we'll see what happens. What I'll end up doing probably is I'm going to turn the flat foot down and let flat foot do its job. I had it set up pretty high on here right now on my map to where I was truly flat foot shifting the car without a cob program. And that's harder on the clutch. So if I turn the flat foot down, probably like 8800 for him, they'll catch the flat foot and it won't be as hard on the clutch. Yeah. So
Usually I'm good enough that I shift before it even hits rev limit. So.
Well, the rev limit was pretty high on it.
Yeah. Granted, I revved out a bit on the last couple. I was revving to 85.
Yeah, this one I had the rev limit up at like 9800.
Oh, really?
98? Yeah. That makes sense then.
To the moon, right?
Told you it was a pass to prove a point, and your boy bogged the fucking car. Or would have proved a point. We still proved a point with our mile an hour. So end of the day,
You thought you were going up
we're
against
here.
an 8-second Civic.
I did. I thought I was going up against a good friend of mine. He has a beautiful low 9-second Civic. And I looked over and I was like, oh shit, I gotta cut a light.
Yep.
My mistake. 11-second Civic just smoked me. You know what? Give me a clutch and I'll know trap 1,000. That's what will happen.
There you go.
No?
Want the clutch?
I am so mad I bogged the damn car. You don't even know.
Yeah.
Like, that just hurts me in the soul.
That would have been such a better pass.
When I left, you saw a hate shift because I was pissed. As soon as I grabbed second and then grabbed third, the clutch was like, oh no, I can't handle
Oh
it.
yeah, extra 50 pounds, it's 1038.
Can't find the words to say. Pack up, sleep. We're going away. I'm sorry we can't stay. I know you
box.
Hell yeah, brother. So guys, we're back and we are from our 4th pass today. 9-second pass, mid 140 or higher in this car. Hasn't pushed a drop of coolant. Our motor program is on par. Tuning, obviously I'm doing something right. Car's still living, going rounds. I've been turning it up, playing around with it. This last pass I turned it up a little bit more, and to my surprise, we wanted to go to the 8th because we know we have a hurt clutch in the car. So we went to the 8th and I went there at 6.1 at 122. To give you an idea, for a lot of you that may not know what 8th mile racing is like, my equivalent Hyper Blue STI has gone in 896 at 161. That car at the 8th mile went a 5.9 at 123. So we're right in that territory, whether it had been a high 8, low 9-second pass, if we had continued. Now we're on the what if racing, right? But we coasted the car to a 9.5 at 131. So we went through the 8th. I tried to stay in it. Unfortunately, I heard the clutch was just not happy at all in 4th, and in risk of hurting the car even more, I went ahead and lifted. Very unlike me, but not my car. So we went ahead and lifted, went 9.52 at 131.
It's okay, it's my car. Nice. 60 foot?
Look at that. 60 foot was a 1.6. Wasn't even that good of a 60 foot. And you know, I could make them a bit spicier on the 60 foot with a better launch control. But today, we just wanted to enjoy the cars, come out, have a good time, and that's what we did. And we're going home. He's gonna be able to drive on the trailer, no problems. So he's taking a look underneath the car right now, going over to drivetrain. When I heard the noise in 4th gear and I shifted, it sounded like the clutch or drivetrain clunk, and that's when I went ahead and let out. So we're just going over the car, make sure he's safe on his next pass if he chooses to do one. I think we might be closed off for today.
We might be done.
So end of the day, we win still.
Do some work to it before it goes on the trailer.
Yep. What in the hell happened to your new wheel?
Oh, it's just the stuff that they use to put it on. It's not,
gave me a heart attack. I thought he did a salvage title another wheel.
No.
Another.
It's just got the stuff. Fuck the goop. Yeah.
Another.
It's the goop for mounting.
Yep.
Cool. All right, guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today. Honda spilled fluid all over the track, and they're just gonna call it quits after that. So we are done. Everyone's packing up all their gear. Everyone here got to run. Even got to run the Civic once, as you guys saw. Sorry for not filming it. Trust me, it wasn't anything exciting. But once again, I appreciate you guys following the channel, subscribing, watching, doing all that stuff. Finally got a chance to get out and film something exciting. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your guys' support. You guys are awesome. Stay awesome, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, guys.